Okay, so what's going on is there's a buzzing sound when you drive highway speeds from the passenger side lower windshield. Allow me to demonstrate. As it turns out, there was a small split right here which was causing the noise. I'll show you how we replaced it. First, I removed the weather strip, then removed the 5 securing clips, removed the windshield wiper bolt cover, removed the passenger side windshield wiper with a 15mm socket, removed the windshield washer fluid tube, removed the 2 side screws with a T15 bit, removed the windshield washer fluid piping, then I removed the old part and installed the new one. I also cleaned the windshield wiper arm with some cleaner wax. Road tested and no more noise.